Today we're doing a demonstration on lithium batteries, specifically batteries involved with electric vehicles. We're out here as an experiment to help educate the fire service throughout the DOE complex, as well as the engineers. Very, very rarely do we get to do these. We were able to secure, with the help of the National Testing Research Center, the batteries and the location thanks to Y12. And due to the workshop, we were able to make sure everything was coordinated and successfully done.
Today we were checking out some lithium battery cell fires. So we started with a single cell and then a pack, and then we went up to what's in a Fiat 500. So that's over 200 cells combined together in a car, and that's what you would find in any electric vehicle out on the road. It's been a topic of concern, what electric vehicle fires are going to do and how they react different. And so we have electric fire blanket that you probably caught on video us covering it with. Can't use water. They say it takes from 3,000, they've used up to 20,000 gallons of water on a single electric vehicle fire. It's just not effective. You're spraying the shell of the car and never getting to the batteries. We've got the batteries exposed. Today we showed it still maybe wasn't what we wanted to see, but the lesson learned is they've built them so safe that it's really hard to intentionally set them on fire. UCOR, Y12 Fire Department, and ORNL Fire Department were all instrumental in making it happen.